In a modified repair case, the BMW 3 Series engine was fully upgraded. The customer's BMW N22.0T engine was refreshed without changing the hardware. The final result was that the original connecting rod was twisted, and the original piston burst. Finally, after using our forged pistons to forge the connecting rod, from severe damage to perfect operation, a failure case after a program upgrade can become an opportunity for us to demonstrate our professional modification capabilities. Find out how we restored and optimized the BMW 3 Series through precision engineering. Please visit our website for details.